Do you want to know how you can enable the login email notifications on Draftkings? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the login email notifications which you will receive on your email address while you will try to log in on Draftkings. So go ahead and open any type of browser and go to draftkings.co.uk and log into your account. Then hover around your profile and go to account information. What you need to do is log into your account and write down your password and click login, and it will open this portal over here. Now what you need to do is click on login and security, scroll a bit down and you can see login email notifications. Draftkings will email you at your email address every time you log in, so you can just click on this option over here and you can see the email notification is now on. So guys, this is how you turn on your email login notifications. Let me show it to you once again. The first step is to open draftkings.co.uk, hover around your profile and go to account information. Click on account information, write down your email address and password, and this page will load up. Click on login and security and then scroll a bit down in login email notifications. If this is turned off, you can click it. And if this tick mark is being shown, then you will now receive login email notifications on your email address. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.